Want to score high in your exams? Wondering how you can improve your study habits and ace your tests? We all know that feeling of wanting to give our best, but not being quite sure where to start. The good news is that with the right strategies, you can make your study sessions more effective and enjoyable. There's no magic formula, but there are ways to work smarter, not harder. Stay tuned as we dive into 4 incredible tips that can transform your exam preparation strategy. First off, the power of a study schedule should never be underestimated. A well-structured study schedule is like a roadmap to your success. It guides you through the vast landscape of your syllabus, ensuring you don't miss out on any important topics. Now, creating a study schedule might seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple. Start by making a list of all your subjects and the topics within them. Then, divide your study hours between these subjects based on their complexity and your comfort level. Remember, the goal is to cover all topics effectively, not just the ones you find easy. A study schedule also helps you manage your time effectively. It ensures you're not cramming at the last minute, reducing stress and improving retention. And the best part, you can adjust it as per your needs, making it a truly personalized tool for success. But here's the catch. A study schedule is only as good as your commitment to it. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your schedule for best results. Moving on to the second tip. Understand your study material instead of trying to memorize it. It's a common misconception that cramming information into your brain is the best way to prepare for an exam. In reality, comprehension is key. When you understand the concepts you're studying, you're able to apply them in various contexts, not just in the format they were presented to you. Consider using visual aids like diagrams or flowcharts to help solidify your understanding. These tools can help you see the bigger picture and show how individual elements connect to the whole. Another effective strategy is summarizing the information in your own words. This forces you to really process what you're learning, and it can reveal any gaps in your understanding. Finally, try teaching the material to someone else. If you can explain a concept to another person, it's a good sign you truly understand it. This approach will not only help you during your exams, but also in the long run. Our third tip is to practice with mock tests. Now, why are mock tests so crucial, you ask? Well, they offer a plethora of benefits that can drastically improve your performance. Firstly, mock tests are an excellent way to manage your time effectively. They simulate the pressure of the actual exam environment, helping you gauge how much time you should allocate to each question. Secondly, they familiarize you with the exam pattern. Knowing what to expect can significantly reduce stress and increase your confidence on the big day. Lastly, mock tests help identify your weak areas. Each test you take is an opportunity to understand which topics you need to revisit, allowing you to streamline your preparation and focus on improvement. Including mock tests in your study routine is like adding a secret weapon to your arsenal. They are not just a reflection of your knowledge, but also a tool for self-improvement. It's true what they say, practice does make perfect. Last but not least, take care of your health. You might think that pushing yourself to the limit is what it takes to succeed, but it's quite the contrary. Your brain, like any other part of your body, needs proper nourishment and rest to function at its best. This means eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to fuel your brain power. But it doesn't stop at eating healthily. Sleep plays a crucial role in your cognitive functions. It consolidates your memory and helps you process new information. So, ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. And don't forget to take regular breaks. Studying for hours on end without breaks can lead to burnout. It's essential to give your mind some time to relax and recharge. This could be a short walk, a quick workout, or just a few minutes of meditation. Remember, your health is your wealth, especially during exam season. To wrap things up, scoring high in exams doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Remember, we've covered 4 key strategies: creating a study schedule, understanding rather than memorizing, practicing with mock tests, and maintaining your health. Incorporating these tips into your study routine can make a world of difference. So, don't just dream about acing those exams, make it happen. Remember, success is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Good luck.